Red Magic 7 Most Powerful Gaming Phone. The Red Magic 7 is a smartphone designed exclusively for gaming. To that end, the processor and screen quality are the two most important factors, as they determine how effectively games operate, while the camera and other functions will inevitably take a backseat. Smoothest mobile screen. Gaming phone with a 165Hz refresh rate. This 6.8 inches AMOLED screen delivers beautiful HD+ visuals at up to 165 frames per second. With a 720Hz touch sampling rate for multi-fingers, the cell phone delivers ultra-fast touch and precise response, giving you a serious competitive edge while gaming. The 5G smartphone have also under-display fingerprint sensor and SGS iCare certification. Latest chip and larger storage. The gaming smartphone has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 General 1. Play your favorite games with ease with the raw power of the new CPU clocking in at nearly 3 GHz and enjoy AAA graphics thanks to the fast rendering power of the GPU. 18GB RAM plus 128GB ROM provides not only a fun gaming experience and effects, also large storage space for game downloads. Ultra HD AI Quad Camera. Rear camera is 64 megapixel and support 4K and 8K resolution. Front camera is 8 megapixel and support 1080 and 720 pixel at 30 fps video recording. Amazing realistic colors and contrast, dynamic tone mapping. Multi-dimensional cooling system. The gaming phone incorporates new aerospace-grade phase change materials. Heat can be stored inside this material and released slowly so you feel less heat from the phone while playing, making it more comfortable to hold the phone. The high-speed built-in turbofan accelerates heat dissipation and the fan noise is as quiet as a whisper. 5G and Wi-Fi 6E connection and 4500 mAh battery. 5G is SA plus NSA dual mode and supports all key regions up to 3.0 gigabits per second uploads, up to 7.5 gigabits per second downloads. Wi-Fi 6E is up to 3.5 gigabits per second. These bring mobile gaming to a whole new level. Download the latest games and videos in gigabit speeds with ease to show off your smooth, low-latency experience. The cell phone certified 30-watt charger, charge 0 to 100% in 65 minutes and supports up to 65-watt fast charging.